shit. Matter of fact, you assassinated. Cause I'm finna send him to come do it. Anybody wanna see Young Jeezy kill George Bush, shout it? Yo, crank that Soulja Girl. Soulja Girl off in that hoe. Watch her crank it, watch her roll. Why me crank that Soulja Girl, that Superman, that hoe, now watch me yo. Yeah, nigga, yeah. Get out my face. Yeah. Get out my face. Hey, yo, Soulja Girl, can I get a minute? Hey. Man in the end. Hey, Soulja Girl. Hey, yo, nigga, yo. Yeah. Get out my face. Get out my face. I want my shit. I want my shit. I want my shit. I want my shit. Say, beat that ass. Beat that ass. I'ma beat your ass on this train. We know no more. I'm finna do my thing. You thought I couldn't freestyle on you, boo? You owe everybody an apology for your shit, ho. You got 5 minutes to do it or it's over, bitch. Or I'ma ram through the White House and kick off in my shit. And you don't wanna take it there? I got a bunch of goon niggas everywhere really finna take it there. It's over. This means war. I ain't squashing this shit, shawty. We finna go to war. Straight in the U.S. Hey, Jesus, baby, I got this bit right here. Let's take the test. Somebody give me a phone, shawty. I ain't even need no phone. Shawty. I'm a killer, shawty.
Shawty, chill, man. It's an old lady, man. Chill, man.
Old lady?
Yeah, man.
You know what this old lady calls me?
Man, chill with that crazy.
Chill!
Man.
I'ma chill, shawty.
For real, though.
I'ma go and chill. Thank you. That's the best advice that I can take, shawty. Just chill. Till I get to Eli train station and how dare you jump up in my face anyway and say a goddamn thing to me about cussing out no old lady. You the same nigga I've been looking for to rape me. You the same nigga I've been looking for to rape me, shawty.
Chill out, cuz, bro. He ain't working, bro. Chill out, cuz, bro. Chill out, bro.
Same nigga from Glenwood. The same nigga from Glenwood. Fuck Glenwood. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold. You got the right, bitch. Hold up. Hold the fuck up, hold. You got the right, bitch.
Man, Jamal, chill, bro. Chill, bro, man. Jamal, chill, man, cuz.
Hey, you, come handle this shit. Come handle this shit. Where my ass? Somebody get my head so I can go. Somebody get my head so I can go. Somebody get my head so I can go. Did anybody see my head?
Chill out, bro.
Did they hit me? I'm pressing charge. I'm pressing charge. I'm pressing charge. I'm pressing charge. What's your name? I'm pressing charge. 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 Where my do-rag at? It's on your head. I'm